Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to encode your PDF file into base64 string by Python script. So this will be a very simple Python 3 script here, very 3-4 lines of code. I have given the link in the video description of my blog here. This is a step-by-step instruction on how to encode a PDF file into base64 string. So just go to the video description and go to this blog. All the source code is given. So now to get started guys, just open your text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code text editor here. You can see make a app.py file, and right here inside my root directory you can see there is sample.pdf file is there. You can see sample2.pdf. We will be converting this PDF file into base64 string using a simple Python script here. For using this we will be using a library called as base64. So you just need to go to your command line and just install this library, which is pip install base64. So just install this module here. So just write this command and install this. So I have already installed this module, so I will not install it once again. So just execute this command, and now you just need to go to your my blog here, and you just need to simply copy this block of code and paste it. So this base64 module, I think this is a built-in Python module. You need not have to install it. Simply go to the editor, make a app.py file and copy paste this code. So let me just summarize you this what is happening inside this code. At the very first line, we are importing this base64 library. You can see import base64. This is a very simple line in order to import any sort of third-party library inside your Python script. On the third line, we are opening this Python file. You can see which is there inside our root directory. This is we are providing the path here. So you will provide your path here of your PDF file which you are uploading here. So sample2.pdf I have already opened. You can see it contains 13 pages. We are providing this file and we are reading it as PDF file. So we are using the file.read method here. You can see we are using the open function in Python. This is a built-in Python function in order to open files. So we are reading it, and then we are using this B64 encode method. So this is there inside this base64 module here. This is a third-party library here. It contains this method here. We are using this, and then lastly we are printing the encoded string. So now if I just execute my Python script by executing the command python app.py, so you will see now it will print this base64 string, which is pretty large here because the Python file contains 13 pages. So this will totally depend upon the number of pages which is there inside the PDF document. So this is all the garbage base64 code string of the PDF file. So this is a very easy way. You can see only 5 lines of code is there in order to convert it in Python. So the link will be there inside video description for the whole source code. You can go to my blog here and read more about it and download all the source code. Apart from that, also read more blog posts on my blog post, which is codingshiksha.com, and also check out my website guys, freemediatools.com. You can see on the left hand side of the screen free media tools. This is my own website that I developed using coding here, which is Node.js and Express. This is hosted on VPS server, and a total of 140 tools are there, which is related to audio, image, and audio, video and audio. So please check out just this website here. All the tools are built by me. This is a very good website, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial. Until then, thank you very much.